Good morning, first grade students. It is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. We are going to continue our math lesson for today. Now, we've been working with a lot of addition equations. We're going to continue that, but this time we're going to do what is on the title. Now, the cursor is moving onto the screen now. Pay attention as Mr. Begay is going to explain how to do this. Now, boys and girls, it says count on to add. Use the number line to help. Now, we've been learning how to add with all kinds of manipulatives. Now, we're going to learn how to add by using a number line. This is what you call a number line. It has our numbers from 0 to 10 here. And it has an arrow and there's lines that separate the numbers. We're going to use this number line to add. Now, look right here, number 1, as Mr. Begay is going to do these slides with you. Read this with Mr. Begay, boys and girls. 3 plus 2 equals blank. Because there's no answer here. Let's read it again. 3 plus 2 equals blank. Now, we're going to use the number line up here to help us get the answer. Now, the first thing you're going to do, boys and girls, is look here at this first number that's in the front, which is what? 3. Now look, on this number line, you're going to find 3, which is right here. Number 3 is right here. So this is where we're going to start. Since it says plus 2, how many numbers do we have to count on to add? 2. So watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to come back to 3 right here because this is the first number we start at. 3, and we're going to count plus 2. Count with Mr. Begay. Watch. 1, 2. So first graders, what's our answer here? 5. So watch, Mr. Begay is going to get 5. I'm going to put 5 there, and there's our answer. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5, okay? Based on our number line here. Now, keep looking at your screen, boys and girls, as we are coming upon another problem now. Now, number 2 says, read it with me, boys and girls. 8 plus 1 equals blank. Let's read it again. 8 plus 1 equals blank. Now, we're going to look here at this first number, which is what? 8. So look, up here at the number line, you're going to have to find 8. Right here. Here is number 8. So this is where we're going to start. Now, it says what? Plus 1. So we're going to come back up to 8. We're going to have to go forward. Count on 1. Watch Mr. Begay. 1. So what's our answer? 9. 9's the answer because it says plus 1. So Mr. Begay is going to get 9. I'm going to put it there because that's our answer based on the number line here. So it says 8 plus 1 equals 9. And that is true. Now, keep looking at your screen as we're coming upon another problem here. Now, this says 7 plus 1 equals blank. Let's read it again. 7 plus 1 equals blank. Now, what number are we going to start at up here? What's that first number we have to start at? 7, because 7's in front. So we got to locate 7, which is right there. Now it says plus 1. So boys and girls, all we're going to have to do now is count on plus 1. Count with Mr. Begay. 1. So what's our answer? 8. So Mr. Begay is going to get 8. I'm going to put 8 here because that's our answer. 7 plus 1 equals 8 based on our number line, okay? We start at 7. We just jump 1, add on 1, and our answer is right here, 8. Now let's move on to another example here. Ready? Now this says 9 plus 1 equals blank. Let's read it together. 9 plus 1 equals blank. Now boys and girls, what number are we going to start with up here on our number line? What number? 9. Because look, 9 is right here in front. So you have to start at 9 right here. This is where we're going to start. Now it says plus 1. So we're going to have to count on plus 1. So we're going to start here at 9. Count with Mr. Begay. 1. Okay, so what's our answer? 10. So Mr. Begay is going to get 10. I'm going to insert 10 there. Now our equation says 9 plus 1 equals 10. Based on our number line right here, okay? Now, keep looking at your screen, boys and girls. Here we have 4 plus 3 equals blank. Now, we're going to use our number line again. Boys and girls, what number are we going to start at? What number? 4. Okay, so we got to find 4, which is right here. Here is 4 right here. Now it says plus 3, so we're going to have to add on plus 3. Count with Mr. Begay. We're going to start at 4. 1, 2, 3. So boys and girls, what's our answer right here? 7. So Mr. Begay is going to get 7. I'm going to put it right here. So this is our answer. 4 plus 3 equals 7, okay? Based on our number line right here, okay? Because we start at 4 and we're going to count on plus 3, which gave us 7. Now, keep looking at your screen as we have another math problem here again. We have here now, boys and girls, look. 9 equals 6 plus blank. Now, this is the same thing what we just did. It's just that they left this number out. Now, to find this number here, okay? Here's what you're going to have to do, okay? You're going to have to start right here, the same method, okay? Even though this is not a plus, you're going to start right here again, okay? What number is this? 9. So look, you're going to have to find 9, which is right here. Now, boys and girls, you're going to go back, okay? Since there's an equal here, we're going to go back, okay? Now, we're going to have to go back 6 times, okay? We're going to start at 9 and we're going to have to go back 6 to find our answer, okay? Watch Mr. Begay, watch me. I'm going to come here at 9 and I'm going to count back 6. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's our answer, first graders? 3. So Mr. Begay is going to get 3. I'm going to insert it in here to my addition equation. So this is going to now read 9 equals 6 plus 3. That is true because 6 plus 3 does equal 9. Remember, when you're faced upon this kind of equation, same thing. You're going to start at that first number, but this time you're going to go backwards based on what number's here, just like what we did. Okay? We started at 9 and Mr. Begay went back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gave us our answer here, 3. Now, keep looking at your screen here. Now, we have 2 plus 6 equals blank. Read it with me again. 2 plus 6 equals blank. Now, boys and girls, what number are we going to start at? 2, okay? So we'll have to find 2, which is right here. Now we're going to have to add on plus 6, because this says plus 6. So we come back to 2, we're going to add on plus 6. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 8. So Mr. Begay is going to get 8. I'm going to insert 8 right there because that's our answer. So it reads 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay? Now, let's do another example right here. Okay, 6 equals 5 plus blank. Same process, first graders. You're going to look here at this first number, okay? So you got to find 6 up here on the number line, which is right here. Now, look. Since plus is not right here, it has an equal sign. You see, equals 5. This time, we got to go back again. 5 times, okay? So watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to come to 6, and I got to go backwards now. 5 to get our answer because equals is right here, okay? Let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 1. So Mr. Begay is going to get 1, and I'm going to insert it into our answer here. Now it reads 6 equals 5 plus 1. Okay? Now, let's come here to this next slide. Ready? It reads, boys and girls, repeat after Mr. Begay. 5 plus 3 equals blank. Let's read it again. 5 plus 3 equals blank. Now, what number are we going to start at up here on the number line? 5. So you got to find 5 up here, which is right here. I found 5. Now we're going to add on plus 3 because it says plus 3. Now let's come back here to 5. Let's add on plus 3. Here we go. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3. So what is our answer, boys and girls? 8. So Mr. Begay is going to get 8, and I'm going to insert it into our answer there. Now our addition equation reads 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay? Now, boys and girls, I want you to get a paper and pencil. Get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, here is your homework. I want you to copy down this number line, and I want you to copy down number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. You are going to use this number line to help you get the answers here, okay? Remember, if you forget how to use this number line, rewind the video and rewatch it again. When you are done with your homework, put it in a folder because you are going to return that on Friday. Now, go ahead and pause the video right here and continue on with your homework because Mr. Begay is going to log off in about another 15 seconds.